Olorun to the awon, okay, gbani, ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. Ta ni ó tún gbéga o, ní kò ṣe Baba lókè. Ta ni ó tún fi gbogbo ọpẹ́ mi fún? Olorun tó dá wa, òkè ìgbàanì, ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. How to play Olorun to the awon, okay, Igbani. I'm not a Yoruba, so I might not be pronouncing these words well. So it's a really lovely song. It's been sung everywhere in Nigeria, and I really like the song. The song actually means that my God who created the ancient hills, I give all my praises to you. My God who created the ancient hills, I give all my praises to you. That's Olorun to the awon, okay. Then the part where it gets to turn you to bigger. That part means, who else will I exalt if not you, O God? Who else will I give my praises to? My God who created the ancient hills, I give all my praises to you. Basically, that's the meaning of the song. So the song goes from the do, so, do, fa, do, so, do. So you hold your chord on your right hand and your single note on your left hand. Do, so. This is your song. Do, fa, do, so, do. So let's play it. Olorun to the awon, okay, gbani, ẹ̀yin ni mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. That easy. Then the tiny part, do, so, do, do, so, do. Tiny, oh, do, so that's it. That's how to play. Do, so, do, fa, do, so, do, fa. When you get to the tiny part, you do, do, so, do, so. Then go to Olorun, so, do, fa, do, so, do. It's okay, that's how to play the song. This is the beginner level. I'm going to do a video soon on the intermediate level 1 and intermediate level 2 separate videos. I've decided to start separating the intermediate level into 2 because it will help in your grasping of the concept of playing the song. And please subscribe and check the link in the description below for the intermediate level. And see you later.